The next question I want to help you with. Die volgende vraag is the solid geometry. Kom en zien wat moet je tekenen. Let's see what you have to draw. So there is a front view and a top view of a right rectangular hexagonal prism with a right regular hexagonal pyramidal hole. Okay, it's a lot of words, is baie woorde. Net om te sê, het 'n seskant, jy het 'n hexagon with a hole inside met 'n gat binne. Die vorm van hy gat is 'n pyramid. So the shape of the hole is a pyramid. So you can see that's the highest point there. Wat moet jy teken? What you have to draw? The given front view. Asseblief, dis die vooraansig. This is the front view. This is the top view. As die vooraansig. And dan, so that. Dan moet die linkerkant se aansig teken. Now you need to draw the left view. The left view will go on the right hand side. There. From what we're supposed to remember, but I'm sure we forgot from the beginning of the year. Wat ons moet onthou, ons het dit al in die klas bespreek. This is first angle. First angle tells you where your views must go. So die symbool vir eerste hoek is die ene in die hoek, this one here in the corner. So it's a cone. The cone comes first. This tells you that's the front view. The top view goes at the bottom. And then the left view goes on the right hand side and the right view goes on the left hand side. So dit wil ek sien op jou blaai. You were asked to draw front, top, left. Jy was gevra om die voor, bo en linkerkant se aansig te teken. So your page needs to look like this. This is why these things are important. It's not a joke. Dit is belangrik. There's your symbol. This is what you need to show on your drawing. You are asked to draw a front view, top view, and a left view that goes on the right hand side in the question. Jy was gevra om 'n vooraansig te teken, 'n bo-aansig, nie 'n regterkant se aansig nie, 'n linkerkant se aansig, maar dit gaan nou weer regterkant van jou blaai. So this that you see here is what you need to see on your page. So you need to divide your page in the middle. You will be needing a compass. Please get a compass. This angle is 45 degrees. Watch asseblief die driehoek, gebruik die regte driehoek. Môre, please use the right set square. That's 45 degrees. This is 45 degrees. The set square is 45 degrees. I can't help you more than that. Dan het ons 'n XY so, you have a XY there. And then a cut, wada. Ek is hier besig. I am busy down here. What I expect you to know, you can't draw the top view without drawing, or you can't draw the front view without drawing the top view. As geen manier op die mooi planeet van God. Los dit maar, ek gaan niks sê nie. Please draw the top view first. Teken asseblief die bo-aansig eerste en dan kan jy die voor-aansig teken. Die seskant, this is a hexagon, so you're going to need a compass, you need a circle. So I feel comfortable with the XY somewhere there. There's my center. I need a compass. The compass is, the length of the compass is one size of the hexagon. Die lengte van jou passer gaan een lengte van die seskant wees. So ek sien op my blaai 42. I see 42. So naturally you need to measure 42. It's not a diameter, so you need to draw 42, a circle of 42. Then you can see the pointed sides are at the bottom. The skerp punters onder en bo. The sharp points of the hexagon is at the bottom and on top. So now you need to place your compass at the sharp corners. To confirm that you're on the right track, om seker te maak jy's op die regte pad, ken jy hy lengte meet. That measurement needs to be 42. So there, I take my ruler, I check, I get 43, which is fine. Then we have these dotted lines that go to the center. Please draw them as you see it. Don't waste your time by drawing solid lines. There's no marks for that. Maak seker jy teken die stippellyne soos jy dit sien op die bladsy. Moenie wel snaaks wees nie en jou eie nonsens wil aanvang nie. I would label it. Ek sal elke ook benoem om my lewe maklik te maak. A, B, C, D, E, F. I got that. You check, you are happy. It's not perfect, but you are happy. It's not perfect, but you are happy. Move on. Now you can draw the front view. Nou kry jy die voorkant teken. The measurement for the front view is 72 up. The measurement of the hole, die hoogte van hy gat is 62 en dit val in die center. Follow the numbering system. Here you get A and F. So that's A and F. In the middle you get B and E. B and E. And this is C and D. C and D. Then the cut is 10 on the top. Over there. En die snijvlak cut AA. Then to cut, you bring the points of the cutting plane down. So there, there, also, and also. We zoom in. So I brought these points down. Okay. You need to decide tomorrow what the shape is going to be. There needs to be a shape here that is a hexagon that you need to section. So hier moet jy sny sien wat 6 kantig is. After that, you put the sectioning in. To draw the left view, the work you did in grade 10. Mm. Then you need to transfer the cut in this direction, that direction, that direction, that direction. You'll see something here that looks like a cut.